Are you looking to start a content creation business but need help knowing where to start? This step-by-step guide will teach you everything you need to know to become a successful content creator. We'll cover topics such as finding your niche, developing your style, and creating quality content. So whether you're just starting or looking for ways to improve your current content strategy, this guide has something for you. What is a content creator? A digital content creator is a person who creates content in the form of videos, images, articles, podcasts, or other digital media. They make this material to be shared and consumed online by viewers or visitors. Content creators typically specialize in a particular field or niche and can work independently or with organizations. Content creator job descriptions usually include the following: researching topics, planning content, writing scripts or stories, editing audio and video files, recording narration, publishing across various platforms. Content creators can work in multiple industries, such as media, entertainment, marketing and advertising, education, healthcare, and others. Digital platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, and Snapchat are popular outlets for content creators to share their work. Content creators can also generate revenue through ads, sponsorships, and other forms of monetization. Can anyone be a content creator? Anyone can create content, though some may be better at it than others. Practice is the key to content creation, whether a beginner or a pro. Learn your mistakes and keep finding ideas and ways to use them, then you'll see your output improve over time. Content creation isn't just about having great ideas but also about execution. So get creative and experiment with different platforms and strategies to see what works best for your goals. You can formulate entertaining or educational material and distribute it to audiences who may be interested in what you have to say. If you're not a natural wordsmith or feel you need more confidence in your writing skills, there are still many ways to create content. You can use visuals like videos, images and graphics, or audio and sound to craft engaging content. Essential steps to becoming a successful content creator. Successful content creators come in all shapes and sizes. You don't need to be an experienced writer or have a degree in marketing to become one, either. Whether you want to make money through blogging, creating videos, or writing ebooks, these 5 essential steps will help you get started on the path towards success. Figure out your niche. What kind of content are you most passionate about creating? Do you love cooking, beauty tutorials, or travel? Consider what makes you unique and find a subject you know well. Create great content. Once you've found your niche, it's time to start making content. Use various forms of media to engage your audience, such as video, audio, or written content. Build an engaged community. Finding a supportive and dynamic community is one of the best ways to ensure success as a content creator. Share your content on social media platforms like Instagram and YouTube and join relevant Facebook groups or Twitter chats. Stay consistent. Consistently creating content is the key to success. You need to post regularly to stay relevant and build an audience. Promote yourself. Don't be afraid to promote your content. Reach out to influencers, bloggers, and other platforms where you can share your work. The more eyes on it, the more exposure you'll get. With these 5 essential steps, anyone can become a successful content creator. All it takes is dedication and hard work. So give it a shot and make your mark on the world of content creation. Do you want to be successful in the investment industry too? One important thing to consider when investing in any investment is security. In cryptocurrency investments, investing in a hardware wallet is the best way to protect your assets. Hardware wallets store your private keys offline, which makes them secure and virtually impossible to hack. Out of the numerous options for hardware wallets, here's one tool we recommend. Affiliate disclaimer: Moovmynt is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps keep our website and its content. Learn more. Ledger wallets are the top choice for cryptocurrency users looking to keep their digital assets safe. With strict safety measures in place, there's no risk of compromise during transmission, so you can trust that your money is secure. Invest with confidence and check out Ledger wallets today. To know the truth about social media coordinators, check out our previous video. How much do content creators get paid in 2023? Social media content creators have become a vital part of the digital landscape. With the ever-growing demand for more content, their salaries are only increasing. According to some estimates, in 2023, content creators could earn anywhere from $60,000 to $250,000 annually, depending on their skill set and the platform on which they have built an audience. That's a lot of money, and it's no surprise that content creators have become the new rock stars of the digital world. Don't worry if you still need to get a massive following. With patience and dedication, you can increase your standing as a content creator in 2023. As more companies adjust their strategies to include influencer marketing, content creators will likely become an even more invaluable asset. So if you're looking for a way to make a living from creating content in 2023, now is the perfect time to start. If you're looking for good returns, investing in cryptocurrencies is the best option. Before you invest in cryptocurrencies, you should learn the basics of trading cryptocurrencies. Technical analysis is a perfect choice to start your trading lessons. Technical analysis gives you an understanding of market trends and price movements to help you become a better investor. If you're looking for a trusted technical analysis tool, check out this one we wholeheartedly recommend. Affiliate disclaimer: Moovmynt is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps keep our website and its content. Learn more. TradingView can take your trading skills to the next level. An ideal platform for traders of all experience levels and styles, it offers comprehensive features tailored to help you find success in the stock market. Unlock a world of potential with TradingView today. To learn about the secret of blogging, check out our previous video. What are some types of content to make? Digital content can come in many shapes and sizes. From interactive web pages, blog posts and apps to visual content like GIFs, videos and infographics, there's something out there for everyone. Need some ideas? Here are a few popular types of digital content you could create. Tutorials. Video tutorials are an excellent way to engage viewers and teach them something new. Podcasts. If you're looking for a more conversational approach, podcasts are a great way to entertain your audience. Infographics. Use eye-catching visuals to explain complex topics quickly and easily with infographics. Ebooks. Ebooks allow you to create longer content and share more in-depth information with readers. Animated GIFs. Get creative with animated GIFs for a fun way to show off your products or services. Social media posts. Build relationships with potential customers by creating engaging posts that resonate with your audience. No matter what type of content you choose to create, the possibilities are endless. So have fun experimenting and finding the right fit for your brand. To learn about the opportunities in social media, check out our previous video. What is good content? Content marketing strategy is all about creating content that your target audience will find valuable. To make good content, you need to research to pinpoint topics they'd be interested in and then write something helpful, entertaining, or educational that answers their questions. Consider using visuals and videos to make your content more captivating and engaging. A good content strategy should be tailored to your audience and their needs. Consider what topics are relevant to them and what type of content you can create that would be most beneficial. Furthermore, don't forget about SEO when creating content. Keywords used in your content should align with the topics your target market is searching for online. How to create good content. Here are some of the secrets to creating quality content. Know your audience. Before writing anything, ensure you understand your readers' needs and interests. Research thoroughly. Research on excellent content is crucial to provide accurate information and valuable tips. Invest the time in reading relevant material and gathering data. Embrace creativity. Don't be afraid to take risks with your content or think outside the box regarding topics, images, or formatting. A little imagination can go a long way in making your content stand out from the crowd. Stay up to date. Content is constantly changing, so stay informed about your industry's latest trends and news. Awareness of what's happening can help you create relevant and exciting content for your readers. Have a plan. Make sure you have one before you start writing. It will help you stay organized and work more efficiently. Edit your work. Before submitting your content, it's essential to proofread and edit it. A little bit of extra time spent on editing can save you from embarrassment later on. Promote your content. Once you've created quality content, it's important to promote it so that people are aware of its existence. Social media and many other options, such as guest blogging or email marketing, are great ways to do this. Creating good content takes time and effort, but it's well worth it in the long run. Follow these tips, and you'll be sure to write content readers will enjoy. Final thoughts. Becoming a content creator is an exciting way to share your passions and thoughts. It takes dedication, creativity, and organization to become successful in this field. Creating compelling content requires a deep understanding of your target audience and an ability to communicate effectively through your chosen medium. You must also have excellent writing skills, generate ideas regularly, and have knowledge of the platforms you're using. Once you've mastered these skills, though, the possibilities are endless. So go out there and make your mark as a content creator. We can't wait to see what you create. Thank you so much for watching, and best of luck. Remember to be bold and creative, and have fun. You never know what great things you might have if you try them. Now go forth and make your content dreams come true. Happy creating! Disclaimer: Moovmynt provides educational content only. It should not be taken as professional financial advice.